Here's the final pieces. I wanted to go over them. We're going to do a better photograph type of thing tomorrow. Um, the silver backer is really cool. You can see it through the panel. If they're heavily lit when they're installed, you're going to get a lot of bright flash, and you can see the reflection through this fabric. One thing I wanted to do is ask about an accent color, and I'll maybe show you some examples of that. I like this one because you get the red, and then you get a little gray line, and you get the little dark. There's things going on in this one, and it works. You can see here's more of that silver in the background. It looks cool. So this one just on its own, I feel like is real strong, just because you're playing between a silver and a red and a gray and a black and a this and that. Now you come over here and you've got the silver in the back, and but it's more kind of gray with more gray. I mean, you're not getting this kind of pinstripe vibe. And a little bit more here, you get dark gray and light gray. So I'm kind of playing with the idea of maybe putting an opalescent accent in this lane here, which would be a highlight here. It'd be lighter than this, and would lighten this up. I'd probably not go too far with that one. And in fact, maybe each one could get a slightly different one. Like maybe this one could get an antique gold, like very light. This one could get an antique silver, and this one could get maybe a macro pearl or something. I don't know, but that's just something to consider. Let me get a little bit more of a shot of these. And the back, let me get a quick look at the back of these. They don't have the hardware on yet, but this is the way the back looks.